for the union.
Atongoria ngwatanĩro ya arutani University-inĩ ya Nairobi marauga matigũkira rĩngĩ na kwĩrorera maũndũ magĩthiĩ na mbere gũthogothana nĩ gũkorwo gũtarĩ na ũrũgamĩrĩri mũrũmu wabici-inĩ iria nene university-inĩ ĩno.
Since September 2024, the University of Nairobi has been led by a vice-chancellor in acting capacity. All the deputy vice-chancellor positions have similarly been occupied in acting capacities for extended periods. This persistent absence of substantive leadership has undermined the stability of the University of Nairobi.
We cannot have a premier university that is immersed in confusion. People acting forever. And whenever they are acting, they even get more confused because they cannot be able to discharge their duties. They cannot make decisions. This has put us in a very, very sorry state.
Magĩokĩrĩra kanjũ ya university ĩno nĩ gũkirĩra maũndũ magĩthiĩ na njĩra ĩtagĩrĩire marenda makinya makwamũra vice chancellor na mũnini wake Moyo Orĩo nĩ gũkorwo commission ya kwandĩka aruti wĩra a thirikari nĩ ikinyanĩirie mĩhang'o ya kũiyũria iturwa ici maita makinya o merĩ.
Immediate appointment of a substantive vice chancellor and deputy vice chancellors in order to restore the stability and strategic leadership of the University of Nairobi. Number 2, action by the University Council to discharge its mandate with urgency. They must advocate and be seen to advocate for the University of Nairobi.
Mathiĩte na mbere kuga nĩ ũndũ wa kĩeha kuona thirikari ĩkĩrĩire ũhoro wa mathirĩ marĩa magũmĩire university ĩno marĩa nĩmo marĩ ma igũrũ mũno university-inĩ ciothe cia mũingĩ bũrũri-inĩ.
The latest report by the Controller of Budget dated February 2026 indicates that the University of Nairobi is burdened with debts amounting to more than Kenya shillings 15.9 billion. We further call upon His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, an alumnus of the University of Nairobi, to intervene to safeguard the future of this historic institution. We also urge Honorable John Mbadi, the Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury, to prioritize the financial recovery of the university.
UASU marauga ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũrũgamĩrĩri ndũngĩeterera rĩngĩ na nĩ ũrabatara kũrũmbũiyo Orĩo nĩguo kũrigĩrĩria university ĩno kũgwa irima-inĩ rĩa kũhagũka. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right.